Gumagabi na. It's getting late. Kailangan na nating umalis. We have to go. Nasaan na ba siya? Where is he? Naliligo pa siya. He is taking a bath. Ano sa tingin mo? What do you think? Sa tingin ko, ayos naman. I think it's fine. Kumusta naman sa bahay? How's everything at home? Maayos naman lahat. All is good. Pwede ko bang gamitin ito? Can I use this? Oo naman, kahit anong oras. Of course, anytime. May bumabagabag ba sa'yo? Is something bothering you? Oo, di ako makatulog. Yes, I can't sleep. Anong gagawin ko? What should I do? Wala nga din akong ideya. I also don't have an idea. Nakilala mo siya? Did you meet her? Hindi kami nagkita. We didn't see each other. Anong trabaho mo? What is your job? Nagtatrabaho ako sa ospital. I work in the hospital. Ito ba ang hinahanap mo? Is this what you're looking for? Oo, kanina lang. Yes, just a while ago. Nasaan ka ba kanina? Where were you earlier? Umuwi ako saglit sa bahay. I went home for a while. Marami ka bang ginagawa? Are you busy? Wala naman masyado. Not much. Wala ka bang alam? Don't you know anything? Ngayon ko lang nalaman yan. I just learned about it. Bagay sa'yo yan. That suits you. Salamat sa papuri. Thanks for the compliment. Mabilis akong kabahan. I get nervous easily. Huminga ka ng malalim. Take a deep breath.